Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that and I have a few updates for y'all today. Dancehall pop star Queen Shenseea shade Spice at her latest performance over at Scorch. You feel what I'm saying? And the Shenyang them I talk. You see me? Also, I found out the reason why Beenie Man allegedly beat Macka Diamond with her board. Yes, it's not what you all expect. You feel what I'm saying? As well as he had allegedly put hands or things on Pompite as well. As Buju Banton and Shaggy is featured in the James Bond movie. And that's definitely a good look, people. So you don't know the thing already. Hit the like button and share from now. And let's get into it. Oh, how can I forget? Spice was booked for Cardi's birthday party, the dancehall passa passa party. You see me, I said.
Spice, you ready? Ready for down the players?
The gas skin out for that song, yeah. Drop the next track. Ready? Cardi, you in this one with us. You in this one with us. Now this is Macka on the knees. Stand up there. 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 Why not stand up there? Stand up there. Stand up there. Cardi, you in this song, yeah. Drop the next track. Ready?
At Cardi B's birthday party, so it looked like the Shenyang them was wrong. Even though they sent me the story, that's still reported for them. You see me, I said, when I can't send me by, you see me. But anyway. Okay, people, dancehall fans are going in a frenzy after the pop star Queen Shenseea seems to be throwing shades at Spice. People, it's not me mixing up the ladies. It's just what it is. You see me, I said, mouth meant for talk and finger meant for type. And that's exactly what they're doing on social media. You see, like I said, Shenseea was performing on Scorch the other day, or I should say last night, as well as other people like Dexter Daps and things. But her most memorable part of her show was, when she was talking to her Shenyangs them. So let's take a listen.
Tell us something about me. Me no want no man if him not eat my pum pum. My pum pum too pretty.
What?
My pum pum, my clean underneath. Man supposed to eat. Me do whatever me want, and I say whatever me want because God alone can judge me. So, I don't know what's on my Shennings and my people know it real, we don't know 100%. I have a little confidence. No man if him not eat my pum pum. My pum pum too pretty.
What?
My pum pum, my clean underneath. Man supposed to eat. I do whatever me want, and I say whatever me want because God alone can judge me. So, when I know what's going on with Shennings and the people do it real, we don't know 100%. Only for confession for me. I can't tell you no. We're not gonna keep a secret. Run back, we're not gonna keep a secret.
Yes, people, put in the comment section, do you think Shenseea was throwing shades at Spice? Or she was just talking about her front, because it's not like Spice. It's the only one with fronts out here, you feel what I'm saying? But you don't know the thing said the other day, Spice put the up on tour, and you know, it is what it is, you know. There was a malfunction with the wardrobe and it made the pony look away, you see me? But I was just giving that update on that with Sheng Yang. And this is a little snippet of Dexter Dap and Christian Martin at the same event, you see me?
You know, and this is a fact that I've been telling everybody, Jamaican men, myself, Dexter, we don't cheat. Jamaican men don't cheat. Oh Lord of mercy. We never cheat. It's not first, not last.
Boy, I can't believe so we're still up on that topic here. But anyway, people putting in the comment section, do you agree with Christian Martin? Jamaican men do not cheat. Hit that like button, people, you see me? Yeah, people, like I said, it's a good look for Jamaica. There's like 5 to 6 artists that's on this 007 soundtrack. And you know, so the thing said the franchise had just released it, or, you know, releasing a next movie. You know, No Time to Die, you see me? I say, and this is not a surprise to me because, you know, Jamaica was the inspiration of the first Golden Eye movie, you know, but Shaggy upon it, Buju Banton upon it, Noah Power upon it. You see me, I say. But you know, the film thing was featured upon Shaggy Sentinel, you see me, I say. But yeah, it's a good look for Jamaica, you know what I mean, people. Good look, Jamaica. And oh, before I forget, people, Sister Nancy Depani to Bam Bam, so. And a few other people, you know, Teacher Day and all these Rasta people and reggae artists. But people, it goes to show you, say, it's not just the hip-hop market tuning into Jamaica. Because you know, so Cardi B is doing a dancehall party, you know, to try to compete with Nicki Minaj. You know, following Pretty Rebel and TC and all of these things. You see me? I say, but it shows you that that Jamaica is as one of my followers would say, the hub. You know what I mean? Everybody is in tune to Jamaica and want a piece of Jamaica. But honestly, I hope when they're done with Jamaica, Jamaicans have a lot to get something out of it, because we see it all the time, you know. People said Drake capitalized off Popcorn, and I know Popcorn and the band Drake album, you see me, I said. Not highlight, no feature, no nothing, you see me? But, yeah, I was just noticing that, you know, that being that there's so much people on that soundtrack, in the reggae and dancehall fraternity, your side, so, just putting that out there, you know. You know what I mean? And who knows, maybe it's just more than music that these foreigners are looking, so... You know what I mean? Everybody in the shape up in itself, the eyes is on the little island right now, you see me, I say. But anyways, just giving you that musical update. I walk on with the artist then, beside from the Baga, you know. Okay, people, hit the like button, because our people business in the day after. Now, I see a whole bunch of people in my comment section saying I don't know anything. And that's a good thing, you see me, I say. But only don't know nothing as well. You feel me? And I'm talking about this situation with Macka Diamond revealing to the world that she get beat by an artist with basically a 2x4. You feel what I'm saying? If you know anything about construction and all of them things, then you see me, I say. And she gave some descriptions and things. You see me, I say. But the whole of one of mine is clouded, as was mine. But I wasn't really dwelling on the situation. But nevertheless, me had a messenger. You know what I mean? And, you know, some of my industry links, dirty, you know. And it was brought to my attention that these 3 people on the right side hand of your screen are birds of a feather that flock together. You see me, I say? Because, you know, Bounty done it girl with Amma already. You see me? And it was brought out the other day that he had sex, well, I had a child with a minor, you see me, I said, so in reputation not too good. As well as Richie Stevens, you know, so Chinese lady come out and said him take the thing from her, you know. Why my father and Gully God name they get called up in this, you see me, I say. But Beenie Man on the other hand was known for slapping Spice allegedly and things. I think, boy, Shabba and Supercat name get called up, you know. But nevertheless, people, I quelled the speculations because she said that the artist them was quarreling. They are warring in the 90s. I don't think anybody mentioned Capleton and Beenie Man warring in the 90s. You feel what I'm saying? Yes, Beenie Man and Capleton, they did a big war. And when I got the information, I'm like, yeah, you know. And I think Beenie Man, they said stop watching nose and all of these things. He said, me, I said. And just the other day, the war was brought back up with Capleton. Say, you know, Sim, or him get keys to F-Man in a rush and all of these things. He said, me, I said. But nevertheless, people, this is the reason why Macka Diamond get beat. Because, let's be honest, people. You know, keep in mind, Macka is a strong black woman. You know, Macka thick and all of them things that you see me, I say. And she said that she wasn't never sexually violated, you feel me? And you know, Beenie Man did Maga and all of these things, so him couldn't manage Macka now. It's not a laughing situation, but I'm just saying. This is probably why she was beat with her board. You see me, I said, because she did too strong. And the reason why they said that she got the beating is because she was calling up Beenie Man named Capleton. You see me, I said, I didn't ask what they meant by that, but you feel what I'm saying? It wouldn't be the first time that Beenie Man allegedly had a woman slap up because of name calling, as you remember. Before we get to that, we have to big up Dan Mafia. You see me, I said, because my industry insiders, remember some people, about 4 people, send me in the things them, you know. And this is the unofficial story. So I don't want nobody run within and saying this is the official news or whatever. This is just fans speculating or whatever, whatnot. You feel what I'm saying? Right. But anyway, people, we here said Dan Mafia was the only one that tried to save Macka Diamond from this beating. You see me, I said, because me here say them lock the gate and all them things that so nobody wouldn't be able to save her. Anyways, you know what I mean? Because the gate lock and all these things and things. But, yeah, big up Dan Mafia, you know, because, like, Macka Diamond said there was a whole bunch of people there. Nobody tried to save her, you know, but I guess she never want to call name for, you know, pin nobody in that situation and things. But I guess this is why she always big up Dan Mafia and she's following him and not Bounty and Beenie, you see me? But anyways, Beenie Man did call my name to get called up in some other things with, you know. But if all of these accusations are true, because remember, say, Spice said Beenie Man slap her, or if some make man slap her up and all of these things. And you know, Pampy Tay, they do a performance show in 2019 where, you know, she was, I don't know what she was saying about man quick for beat woman for bun and them can't take bun back and all of these things or whatever. But nevertheless, Pampy Tay said Beenie Man draw a stool, liquor at a studio for no reason at all. You see me, I say. And everybody in the studio was just watching and all of these things. But you don't know the things that Beenie Man liar. Send lawyer for Pampy Tay and say, you know, I know so the story go and the witness them can say, you know. I know so it go, but people putting in the comment section, if you think this story is true, what do you feel about our male dancer artists and producers and things? It seems like the industry is filled with predators and protectors of these predators because they're making them millions of dollars. But nevertheless, just giving that update with Shenseea, saying our pum pum clean for eat and throwing shade at Spice and Shaggy and Buja and others and the Golden Eye thing and things. You see me, I say, don't forget to hit the like button 1,000 times and share the video. 1,000,001. It shows your appreciation and it makes me worth for giving them more exclusive and inside information like this. You see me, I say. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you're new there for you. Be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical views, and gossips. And if you subscribe already, make sure the notification bell on. YouTube, I reset the thing, the man thing and thing is in me. And let's